This is my evolutionary nutrition video project. My vegetable was carrots. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A, which has been shown to help with vision. They are also a good source of vitamin C, calcium, and iron. They have been shown to have anti-cancer effects due to their antioxidants in cancers such as lung cancer, colorectal cancer, leukemia, and prostate cancer. In a 1-cup serving, carrots have 52 calories, 12 grams of carbohydrate, 6 grams of sugar, and 1 gram of protein. 1 cup of carrots also contains 428% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A and 4 grams of fiber. To grow carrots, seeds should be planted outdoors 3 to 5 weeks before the last spring frost date. Seeds should be planted 3 to 4 inches apart in rows that are at least 1 foot apart from each other. Carrots mature around 2.5 months and can be harvested whenever the desired maturity is reached. Carrots should be cleaned and peeled before they are cooked or eaten. Carrots can be eaten raw or cooked many different ways, including steaming, boiling, braising, roasting, or sautéing. To store carrots, they should be wrapped in a paper towel and placed in a bag to prevent condensation from forming, which causes rotting. If stored in the refrigerator, carrots can be kept for up to a month. My fruit was watermelon. Watermelon is a good source of vitamin C and vitamin A. It has been shown that watermelon helps treat post-exercise muscle soreness, and it has also been shown that phytonutrients in watermelon can relax blood vessels to treat erectile dysfunction and maybe even prevent it. In a 2-cup serving, watermelon contains 80 calories, 21 grams of carbohydrate, and 1 gram of protein. Watermelon also contains a good amount of mineral potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and possibly even prevents hypertension. Watermelon should be washed before being cut up or eaten. While most people usually only eat the juicy red flesh, the seeds and rind are also edible and full of nutrients. To store watermelon, uncut watermelon can be stored for about 10 days. If cut up, it can be stored for about 4 days in the refrigerator. My fermented food was wine. The primary ingredients are grape juice, sucrose, and active dry wine yeast. The secondary ingredients, which are beneficial but not necessary, are yeast energizer, acid, grape tannin, pectin enzymes, and Campden tablets. To ferment red wine, yeast is added to the must, which are the crushed grapes, and the must is pressed when fermentation is 60 to 70% completed. The juice is then pumped into a tank for the completion of fermentation. For white wine, the juice is racked and then yeast is added when the temperature has reached 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The health benefits of wine are that studies have shown that wine reduces the risk of depression. A moderate consumption of red wine can reduce the rate of bowel tumors by approximately 50%. The skin and seeds of red grapes lowers the risk of developing breast cancer in premenopausal women, and a moderate consumption of red wine can reduce the risk of developing dementia. It has been shown that consuming traditional, unprocessed, and fermented foods may help increase the gut microbiome diversity that is now linked to health promotion. My last food was garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries as a treatment for a wide variety of conditions and illnesses. In the United States today, garlic is used to treat several conditions that are linked to the blood system and the heart, including heart attack and hypertension. It is also used by some to prevent a variety of cancers. In a 1-cup serving of raw garlic, it contains 203 calories, 1 gram of fat, 45 grams of carbohydrate, and 9 grams of protein. There is also a significant amount of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese. To grow garlic, it should be planted about 1 month before the ground freezes. They should be placed 4 inches apart and 2 inches deep when they are planted. The cloves can be harvested when the tops begin to yellow and fall over. Garlic should be peeled before being used for cooking. In order to activate the garlic's enzymes, it needs to be crushed or chopped before being heated. There are countless ways to cook garlic, such as pureeing, roasting, and pickling. It can also be added to a variety of dishes for flavoring. Garlic should be stored at room temperature in a dark, dry environment. It is also ideal to store garlic uncooked. Thank you.